So, Sand and Fog recently released their summer perfume droppers, and of course, I picked some up because I am a Sand and Fog fanatic. I am, and I want to go through the ones that I picked up. I believe they dropped like seven. I believe it's seven, but I didn't get one of them because I already had it in a roller ball, and I don't believe in purchasing one just because it's in the dropper. So I picked up six. Let's go through them and see what we have. The first one we're going to go through is Night Skies. And Night Skies has fragrant notes of blackcurrant, sugar, mandarin, raspberry, and rose. That sounds really good to me. And on the website, it says that it is inspired by Adobo Mind Games. I think that's what that says. So let's go ahead and give this a smell. Okay, so I think that's a bit sweeter than what I expected, although I I like it. That's not bad. It's sweet, but it gives a little bit of spice to me. So that is Night Skies. And then we're gonna go with Sweet Mochi. And Sweet Mochi, let's pull it up on the website. Sweet Mochi has fragrance notes of mochi, milk, marshmallow, peach, and coconut. This sounds really, really good. So it says that it is inspired by DedCool Mochi Milk. Mochi Milk. What the heck is Mochi Milk? I don't know, but let's see what this one smells like. All right, let's go ahead and try that one. Okay, so this one is not as sweet as I thought it would be. With the name Sweet Mochi, I thought it would be sweeter than that, but I'm not sure about this one, y'all. Not sure about this one. We'll have to see what we can layer that with. It's not terrible, but it's not a favorite. And then we are going to try Banana Blossom. Now, Banana Blossom has notes of banana, jasmine, vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. I like the sound of all of that. So on the website, it says that it is inspired by Marc Jacobs' Daisy. Ooh, so wild, intense. You know, it's funny. I just wore that fragrance like a week and a half ago, and we already got an oil that's inspired by it. So that is going to make a perfect combination. I felt like when I wore my Daisy Ooh So Wild Intense, it didn't last as long as I wanted it to. So hopefully this will amplify the longevity of that fragrance. So let's go ahead and give that a smell. Yep, I don't even need to put this on skin. This is smelling just like that fragrance. I'm excited about this one. This is Banana Blossom. And then we are going to go with Pear and Musk. So Pear and Musk has notes of lemon and green apple, lily, amber, and musk. So let's see. On the website, it says it is inspired by Joe Malone's London Nashi Bloom. I haven't heard of that one, but let's go ahead and give this one a smell and see what we got. Hmm. Let me get that one on skin because I'm not really getting that much of a smell from this one. So let's see what we get. This one's okay. It's just okay. I'll find something to layer this one with. Maybe the fragrance will definitely have to enhance this one because it's just okay. I'm not super overly excited about that one, but that's Pear and Musk. But if I look at the name, it is very musky. It has a close to skin scent. So that's Pear and Musk. And then we have toasted coconut. And toasted coconut has notes of coconut, vanilla, caramel, sugar, and tonka bean. Oh, this is going to be a good one. So let's see. Toasted. Let's do toasted coconut. And then on the website, it says that it is inspired by Fleur Beach Skin, which I do own. So let's go ahead and give this a smell. Mm. Okay, I think that this one smells exactly like the beach skin. It does. They did a good job in the replication of this one. Yep, smells just like the beach skin. I do like this one as well. This is toasted coconut. And then finally, the last one that I picked up is passion fruit and lily. I wonder if this is going to be inspired by any of the passion fruit fragrances that just came out. Mostly, I'm thinking about the power of you. But let's see what this one is. This has notes of passion fruit, because why am I having a hard word with that? Passion fruit, jasmine, lily of the valley, patchouli, and cassis. Hmm. Let's look this one up in a website. This is passion fruit. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Okay, so passion fruit, and this one is inspired by not what I thought it was inspired by. This is inspired by Juicy Couture. So let's go ahead and give that one a dab on the skin. This is okay. The passion fruit is very faint in this one, and I think it's nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with that at all. I think that because I have the passion fruit fragrances that I have been getting lately have been so drenched in passion fruit, to get an oil that doesn't amplify the passion fruit is throwing me off a little bit. Nothing wrong with it, but it's just throwing me off a little bit. So the one that I did not get was raspberry rose, and that's because I already had it in the roller ball, which I took out. I don't like roller balls at all, so I would take them out. And I was purchasing droppers from the dollar store and just replacing it, but I can't find them. I've been into like $5 or $6 stores and I can't find them anymore. I heard about it on TikTok, so it could be that people are purchasing them up, but I can't find them anymore. Alrighty, that's what I purchased. I will talk to you soon. Let me know, did you get anything from the new drop? Are you tired of sand and fog? Unfortunately, I'm not tired of them yet. Once again, I feel like it's something that I am just collecting at this point. I try to use them as much as possible. I mean, I put them in my daily routine. So I use them every day. It's just that I have so many of them. I think this will make like 110 and 112 sand and fog oils, but that's my business because it's my money. Alrighty. I hope you have the day that you deserve, and I will talk to you later. Bye.